Good day, everyone. Imagine this. You have a loved one, an elderly parent, or a relative with a disability who needs their medication, but they struggle to get to the pharmacy. No caregivers, no transportations, and no easy way to access what they need. This is the reality for millions of senior citizens and persons with disability in the Philippines. Many of them face mobility challenges, making trips to the pharmacy difficult or even impossible. Without access to essential medications, their health is at serious risk, potentially leading to severe complications. But what if we could change that? Our team from diverse background in engineering, business, and accounting shares a deep passion for helping citizens and PWDs. This passion is personal. It comes from our own experiences with family members facing these same struggles. And that's why we created this Murukure. The key issues we aim to solve of this is number one is inaccessibility of pharmacies, especially in remote areas. Mobility limitation that prevent seniors and PWDs from getting their medications. And constraint or financial constraints that make hiring caregivers unaffordable for many. The result? Missed medications, declining health, increased risk of severe complications. MotoCare is a digital platform designed to bridge the gap between pharmacists and customers who need their medications delivered. What is MotoCure? It is a mobile app available on both Android and iOS that allows users order and receive their medication without leaving their homes. How does it work? Number one, users browse a catalog of available pharmacies. Number two, they order their prescribed medications. And then they choose a payment method, whether it is cash, e-wallet, or card. Number four, they're going the delivery rider brings the medication to their doorsteps. And number five, the rail tracking keeps users updated on their order status. What makes Motorcures unique? It is the first dedicated app for both purchasing and delivering medications in the Philippines. We will work closely with LGUs and RHUs to secure the necessary permission for handling medications. There are four benefits of Murcure. First is the functional benefits. Customers can get their medications without traveling. Second is emotional benefits. Peace of mind knowing their medication will always be available. Third is social benefits, more time with family instead of struggling with pharmacy visits. And lastly, macro benefits. It's reduced social isolations and improved health outcomes for senior citizens and PWDs. With 17.69 million potential users across the Philippines, the demand for Motocare is massive. There are 2.6 million potential users in Mindanao and 125,205 potential users in Cagayan de Oro. Here's the proof of demand. We conducted the survey with 80 respondents, and the result was overwhelming. 87.5% are interested, 10% are undecided, and only 2.5% are not interested. And this is the revenue model and financial model of ModelCure. Our primary model is the commission-based earning from every completed transactions, and our secondary model is the subscription-based revenue for premium app features. And this is the revenue or the projected revenue of MotoCure. Our weekly revenue will roughly estimate of 24,024. Our monthly revenue is 145,460, and roughly 1,762,680 is our annual revenue. And we also expect, or as a result, Our annual profit is projected as 1,224,680, and our startup capital requirement is only 538,000, which includes the software and research development 55%, 30% for marketing, and 15% for operational costs. You might be wondering, aren't there already online pharmacies? Yes, there is, but Motocure is different. If you're going to look at the table, Motocure has is different in the aspect of 24/7 availability and fast delivery time, while the other parameters are the same with other drug online like Mercury Drug and South Drug online. So, which is essential medication delivery, healthcare supplies delivery, specialized for healthcare, and affordable delivery fee. Um, Motocure is not just an app, it is a lifeline for senior citizens and PWDs who struggle to access essential medication. It is a solution to real problem, a scalable business with strong revenue potentials, and a social impact project that improves health and well-being. We believe in a future where no one is left behind when it comes to healthcare access with Motocure. That future starts today. So this is the team, which includes Engineer Mike Jun P. Calderon, Ma'am Michelle B. Arnan, MBA, and yours truly, Japet T. Villegas, CPA. So join us in making medications accessible already for all. This is our contact details. Please take note and thank you very much.